Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Uma Maheshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. In this video lecture series, I'm going to explain about the IoT architectural review. Whereas in the last video lecture, I have explained about the IoT. Here, the Cisco's presentation of the reference model comprising the 7 levels of this architecture, where level 1 is nothing but the physical devices and the controllers, where level 2 is nothing but connectivity, level 3 is about edge computing, level 4 data accumulation, level 5 data abstraction, level 6 is application, and level 7 is collaboration and process. In the level 1 physical devices, when compared with this to the OSI layer, open source interconnection model will be having physical layer, data link layer, network layer, application layer, presentation layer, session layer. Likewise will be having 7, that is being compared here with the internet of things. That is in level 1 will be having physical devices and controllers, where physical devices are nothing but the sensors, machines, devices, intelligent edge nodes of different types. This here the data is being first analyzed, then in the next level the devices is being set first, then the connection is being given to this devices through the communication and the processing unit. And the next stage is after communicating, after giving connectivity, the data is being analyzed. So for that we are using here the edge computing. Here the data element analysis and the transformation process is being done. Then after being the data is collected, it has to store. So storage is the next level. Data accumulation is nothing but the storage of the data. Then after storing the data, we have to access and aggregate whether it is being in the correct process or not. So the data is being accessed in the next level. Then the another level, the another level is nothing but reporting, analysis and control. Here the data which is being accessed is being controlled, analyzed and reported by the application layer. Then the next layer is finally the collaboration and the process layer, which involves people and the business processes. This is the Oracle's IoT architecture. Here it uses gather, enrich, stream, manage, acquire, organize and analyze the data. Here in this we are going to gather the information from the sensors, where the data is being stored there. Then the data is then enriched in that next layer. Then the data is divided into various streams, and the where the other process is nothing but from the stream the data is being managed, and that data is being acquired, and finally it is analyzed. The IoT architectural futures are, it serves as a reference in the applications of IoT in the services and the business processes model. A set of sensors which are smart, which captures the data, performs necessary data element analysis and transformation as per device application framework, and it connects directly to the communication manager. These are the futures of the IoT architecture. Then where we have sensor, in the gather process will be having sensors. So those set of sensor circuits is connected to a gateway processing separate data, capturing and gathering, computing and the communication capabilities. The gateway here receives the data in one form at one end and sends it in another form to the other end. The communication management subsystem also consists of various protocol handlers, message routers, and it catches the various messages. This management system has various functionalities for device identity, database, and also device identity management and the access management. That is, this management subsystem has various functionalities which is used to identify the data first, then from the device it manages the data, and finally it accesses the data. Then here the data routers from the gateway through the internet and the data center to the application server. That is, data is routed from gateway through the internet and the data center, or to the application server or the enterprise server, where the data is being acquired. Finally, the organization and the analysis, that is, we are going to use it for the business process. So the organization, the analysis subsystem enables those services, business processes, enterprise integration, and the complex processes. Thank you.